Hi guys, welcome to C Programming. Before start coding, you need to install a code editor in your system. In this course, I will use DevC++ code editor. You are feel free to use any code editor as you want. Here is the link to download DevC++ in your system. Just click here download and it will start downloading. Here you can see there are other code editor as you want. CodeBlocks is an awesome code editor for C. After install DevC++ successfully, you are supposed to get this kind of screen. Here you can see file, new and source file. We can create any file in this code editor. After that, we can save it as you want. Here is the compiler section. Here you can see we are using GCC 4.9.2 64-bit release. Just let it be. In this section you are supposed to get the compiler, resources, compile log. So whenever you are start compiling your code, you are supposed to get all the logs from here. After that, there is the execute section. So inside the execute section we have compile, run, compile and run, rebuild all. So every time when we make changes in our C program, we have to save the file first and then compile it. So whenever we start compiling the code, we are supposed to get errors if there are any inside the code. After that, we can run our code and we will get our desired output. After that, here you can see the window section. You can change the mode of the screen, as well as there are some style, formatting, view, search, edit and the file section. This is all for our code editor. Thank you.